Okay, it's vlog style time. So this is my editing PC. It's an ITX build. It's an i7 4790K. We've got to rip that out. As you can see, I've gotten quite a way through it so far. And yeah, we've got some replacement bits, and here it is. We've got an MSI B450i, which is an ITX motherboard, obviously, otherwise it won't fit into the ITX case. We've got 16 gigabytes of Corsair 3600 megahertz RAM, and we've got the Ryzen 7 2700. It's the non-X version because I'm going to run it as stock, and it's a lower TDP, which will be good for this Corsair H60 water cooler. And on the back of the motherboard we have, what do we have? We have a 1TB Samsung Evo 970. So it's going to be quite the jump in performance. It's yeah, this was quite a good kind of value setup. I mean, the prices at the moment for Ryzen are ridiculous. So this entire, I mean, the motherboard is expensive because it's ITX. So if it wasn't an ITX, you could probably knock about 40 quid off. But that entire setup, the processor, the memory, the motherboard, the Samsung NVMe, the whole lot was £370. So that's a massive upgrade for this editing PC. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. Let's see how we get on. Motherboard is out. So we're on to the next step, which is figuring everything out. I didn't anticipate having to get loads of bits out of boxes to try and figure out what attachment attaches the CPU cooler to this motherboard, and yeah, I just kind of went into it without thinking. So this has become a bit of a nightmare. So I'm going to try and figure out what bits of the water cooler go onto what and how to do it, and it's all enjoyable. This is why we do it. I just wish I was a bit more prepared. Okay, so we're slowly getting there. We've kind of tidied up. Well, tidy is maybe not the word, but we've organised it so that it's less messy. It's all fitting in rather nicely, and we've even got a power switch there, which is actually connected to the CMOS jumper in there, which is absolutely impossible to get hold of unless you take the actual whole PC apart. So I've connected a power switch so I can reset the CMOS just using this switch. But yeah, we're getting there. It's looking rather tasty. I'm just hoping it boots up. So let's crack on, because we've got all the hard drives to mount now. Well, I put it together, I turned it on, and straight away it worked. No issues, nothing. So I'm really chuffed it's running. So we've got a lot of sorting out to do before I'm happy with it, but yeah, things are looking really good. Okay, so we have the PC up and running, and we've got it currently fully stressed out. All cores at 100%. It's overclocked to 4 gigahertz, and as you can see, don't know if I can see it. Where is it? There it is. CPU is 68 degrees. That's with a Corsair H60. And as you can see, the fan is ramped up. It's actually not that loud. So we haven't even hit 70 degrees yet. And all cores 4 gigahertz. And another good thing is we've got, let's see if I can scroll up. Where is it? Where is it? Can I find it? There it is. There it is. That's what I'm looking for. So we've got the memory at 3600 megahertz, DDR4 3600, with a latency of 18. So everything is just running hunky-dory. It's just super smooth. Can't believe how cheap it is to get this sort of performance. So last thing to do is basically do some video editing, and I'll report back and let you know how it's performing. Okay, so it's day 2 now, it's late at night. I'm basically just putting this video together that you're watching, and I've spent all day tweaking it. So we've got the voltage down, it's running sweet, it's running cool at 4 gigahertz on all cores, and I can safely say that for video editing, because that's what this machine's for, jumping from an i7 4790K to a Ryzen 7 2700 is just incredible. It runs so smoothly. 4K editing is no problem at all, and it was money well spent. So this is going to be my editing PC for the foreseeable future. So there we go, another kind of boring video, bloggy, vloggy, I don't know what you call them, I'm too old, I'm not hip. So anyway, yeah, that's it, that's the video, job done. Thank you for watching, subscribe and all of that. I need to go to bed. I need to finish editing the video. Oh, maybe I'll do that tomorrow. Anyway, bye.